Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2014 Ford Transit 150 maintenance light reset. This is gonna take a minute or two, so go ahead and turn on your car without starting, and immediately press the gas and the brake at the same time and hold it. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Press the gas and the brake at the same time, and keep holding it until it shows you that your progress is complete. This might take a minute, guys. Be patient. And there it is, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.